Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. And as you can tell from my title, I am doing a review on my Zulu palette. I feel like I didn't get to actually make a review on this palette, so that's the move for the day. Before we get any further, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. Leave some nice comments below. You know, if you're feeling your girl, please leave some nice comments. But all right, let's jump into this video. Since I am thoroughly doing this video, oh wow, I ain't even got my brows done. I forgot I said I was gonna do this on camera for you guys, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, see what had happened was I was gonna do these brows on camera for you guys, but then Emmett called, and you know, I was waiting for his call for the longest, so he finally called. I was like, you know, y'all be right, y'all be right. So finally got the brows done, right? Okay, so we're gonna go in with a white concealer and go on the eyelids. And y'all are lucky because I'm actually gonna do it today. Don't know if it really matters or not, but hey. If I'm doing more of a vibrant look, like I've said millions and millions of times, I use a white concealer so that the colors can pop a lot more. You can get a NYX jar I used to use, and for some odd reason, I just keep losing it, but you can use that. So we're gonna go in the crease with this yellow. This is a really nice yellow that's actually standing out. This is my neighbor. These walls are thin. It's sad because now I just want to do a look with just all yellow. All right, so now we're gonna go on with this orange. Now we got that put on there. We're gonna go back in with the yellow and kind of just buff it out. Little yellowy orangey look going on, and I love it, and I think I want to keep it that way. I want to keep these colors because they're very vibrant, very pretty. I think adding a glittery pink would be really cute to this look, so we're gonna go with this pink right here. I'm not cutting out the crease, we're just gonna rub it in and then pat. I went with a different brush because it seemed like that last brush wasn't giving me enough glitter on the lid. But at the same time, I don't think I really want it to stand out like that. Like, I want it to look very sheer. Because although I love cutting creases and everything, it just seems very overdone after a while. And I really do love the dramatic but subtle look. So I feel like that's gonna be my aim for the year. And I miss how I used to do my makeup. And then we're gonna go back in with our orange and kind of just add that right there. Don't want too much though. And we're gonna go in with my NYX liner and make a really cute, hopefully thin wing liner, hopefully. now we're gonna, now we're gonna go with my Miss Lashes, 25mm lashes, because that's how we rockin'. And if anybody tells you that 25mm are too big, you better tell them, bounce. Tell them my business. You know what's funny? These lashes make my eyes look a lot smaller. Cause you see how like this side is bigger and this one, like I look like I have a lazy eye. No disrespect to anybody that has a lazy eye, but that's what it looks like. Lashes got 10 pounds on them. They're actually not heavy. Maybe to people that aren't used to wearing long lashes like these, they may seem a little heavier. You'll get used to it. Trust me, you will. Trust me. Oh, I need to clean under my eyes. Alright, so finish the eye look. I'm going to get off camera real quick, do my face and everything, and then I'll be back to show y'all the finished results. Alright, you guys, and this is the finished look. I hope y'all really like it. I actually really love it. And I was just talking to my best friend and he reminded me, he said, you are giving me vibes. You are giving me SZA vibes, Control vibes, Black History Month, Bumblebee. I said, it is Black History Month. Oh my God. So, happy Black History Month. I'm so happy it's February because January was garbage. Complete garbage. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so that you know I'm posting videos. And if you want, I will leave my flyer below somewhere, well, on the video. For all my makeup prices, I am offering makeup services and wax services. Soon I will be incorporating a little bit more, but bear with me, okay, you guys? All right, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.